What's poppin', y'all? It's your girl Team Stacy, and I'm back with another YouTube video. And if you're new to my channel, hello, and a return subscriber, what's up?
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year only.
Alrighty, guys, so as you guys can see, it's giving 613 and I'm bad like a Barbie, period. Okay, this was a unit that was sent to me by Yolissa. This hair is so elite, so thick, so bomb. I did some soft crimps for you guys and I'm just so in love with this hair. I do not want to talk too much in the intro. If you guys want to see all the details on this hair, how I install this hair, how I style this hair, just everything, definitely keep on watching. Alrighty, guys, so like I told you, this video is sponsored by Yolissa. They sent me this beautiful packaging with all these gifts, girl, and a dust bag, period. Okay, so let's get into this install. First thing we're gonna do is take this bald cap and we're gonna make sure it is balding, it is sticking down to my head. I'm gonna go ahead and take the Ghost Bond glue and just line that glue all over the perimeter of my hair. Skip my edges because I need my edges after this install. Okay, period. After that, I'm gonna go ahead and take the even lace spray and just spray that on my perimeter as well with a blow dryer, making sure we dry her down. There's no lifting, no rolling up, no nothing. Okay, this foundation is almost done, but this is the Ruby Kiss Cream Foundation in shade 09. This is the lightest. I need one a little lighter, but it still works for me. And this is the beautiful 613 unit that was sent to me by Yolissa. Look at this structure of this wig. It is so bomb. We're gonna go ahead and throw her on my head. Okay, get her sitting nice and tight. Ooh, look at that. I did go ahead and pluck this wig off camera, and I also did wash this hair with purple shampoo just to take out that yellowness. But this hair is beautiful. Like, this looks so freaking good. I'm taking a hot comb. This hot comb is at 500 degrees and we are literally just hot combing this hair. This hair was so thick after I washed it. It was insane. Okay, so what I'm doing here, I'm just going to go ahead and take the Ghost Bond glue once again, and we're just going to put that all over the perimeter of my hair, going all the way down to my sideburns and back to the other side. I like to do multiple layers. You can get by with one layer if you're wearing your wig for one day and not too much of a hot activity, but for more of a hold, you want to go with multiple layers. So we're just smoothing this glue down until it's nice and thin, and that just helps with it drying clear and there's no lumps and bumps and chunkiness and none of that, none of it. Okay, so back with the blow dryer on a cool setting, we're just going to blow dry her. All right, Pookie, so here we're just putting our second layer of glue down the side of our hair, and now we're going to smooth her in like I told you guys, and we're going to get ready to put her down. All right, so now we're just pulling it down. I like to make sure that the hairline of the wig is right on top or in front of my natural hairline. That is how it looks like it's growing on my scalp. Do you see how you're not seeing any black hairs, my natural hair color peeking through? None of it. So after I smooth the lace down with the comb, I'm gonna put this on for 20 minutes, period. And then this hair is just so thick, like, oh my god, it looks like an afro, but I kind of love it. I left that lace on for 20 minutes. I put my heat protector on because I was going to go ahead and blow dry it off camera just to kind of like blow it out a little bit because it was so thick. But here we're just cutting off the excess lace with our hair scissors. You guys know I finally got some good scissors because my scissors, girl, I was using kindergarten scissors cutting my laces. So I finally invested in some hair scissors to cut off this lace. This wig looks so freaking melted, as you guys can see. Like, it was giving, girl. So here I'm just taking the Eben lace spray once again, and I'm just spraying her down. And I don't know, but I know I don't see that lace. So if I don't see it, I know y'all can't see it because that lace is very much missing, my girl. Shout out to my homegirl Sine. She's gonna pop in and help me because this hair was just so beautifully thick. I wanted it to be a little bit more framed to my head, so she was just going in with a little bit of Eben lace spray and the hot comb in sections to kind of help with the hair laying down. And then we did go ahead and crimp a little bit of this hair off camera. So this is what she's looking like right now. We're just doing some big chunky crimps. Let me know if you guys like crimps like this, because a lot of girls like small crimps, but I like big crimps. I feel like big crimps just give me that really big zigzag kind of look rather than like really skinny kind of curly look. Let me know if you like crimps like this, because I was under the impression these were the only crimps you can get, girl. But anyways, this is what the wig is looking like. The color is so beautiful. This will look good on any skin tone, from the lightest to the light and to the deepest to the dark. This looks beautiful. This held a curl very well, very, very thick. This hair is just gorgeous. I really, really like this hair. I feel like it complemented me very well. It's just giving, period. All right, my love, so that is the end of today's video. In today's video, I had to go ahead and install this blonde 613 unit that was sent to me by Yolissa. This hair is so freaking bomb, my girl. I just keep saying that because I'm obsessed with this color. You guys know I did go ahead and wash it with the purple dye, so it toned it a little bit, but look how this hair just looks. This just looks so beautiful. It's so thick. Oh my god, the thickness is crazy, my girl. Like, Team Stacey approved very freaking much. It's very much giving. I'm so obsessed. Like, this lace is laid to the gods. Like, girl, if you are looking for a 613 wig that's gonna hold a curl, that's thick, that is just everything and above, definitely click the description box down below. There's going to be links in there. You're going to have purchasing links, you're going to have discount codes, all that good stuff. You can even browse their site. Let's say you're not a 613 girly, but you know Yolissa got that good hair, girl. They got all their wigs on their sites. So thank you so much to Yolissa for sponsoring this video once again. I love you guys so freaking much. This hair is chef's kiss. Okay, love you guys. Definitely subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Just join the team and just do it like Nike, okay, because we are lit on this side. Give this video a big thumbs up, and don't forget to comment down below some hard eyes if you liking my hair. I love you guys, and I cannot wait to see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.